Hi everyone, welcome to Cookware SOS. My name is Beth. Today I just wanted to take a couple of minutes to answer the question on whether or not you should be buying a non-stick wok. And really, that just depends on your own cooking style. If you're just looking to do some stir fries, adding some rice or some noodles with it, and you don't want everything sticking to the bottom of the pan, then absolutely get a non-stick wok. It'll save a lot of wasted food. However, if you are doing some more traditional Chinese style cooking and want to cook on high heat, sometimes you even want to add a little bit of flame to it just to get that really nice caramelization on the food, then I have to say no, you should not buy a non-stick wok for that. What you want to do is go towards the more traditional carbon steels or even stainless steel. I know stainless steel can stick a lot, but all it takes is a little bit of extra technique and it can be really worth your while. A non-stick pan cooked on high heat, you really are just going to have it start peeling very quickly. Now, the main reason for that is that non-stick coatings are really very similar to plastic. And as plastic heats up and even starts to potentially burn and bubble, it's going to weaken that coating, and that's when you're going to start getting the peeling. Just think about a really soft plastic bubble and having a crab bone or crab shell come up against it. It'll tear it, and then you're going to see that peeling. So again, for light sauteing, doing a little bit of stir fry, non-stick woks are fantastic. High heat, you're going to want the more traditional materials, the carbon steel or stainless steel. Well, I hope that answers the question. If you found this video helpful, please click subscribe so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And if you have any other questions or suggestions for videos, please put it in the comments below. Thanks very much. Have a great day.